rolling now? Today we're gonna be rolling to Anna. One of my clients, they had their serpentine belt break. And usually when a belt breaks, it's typically because something probably seized up. Maybe a compressor, maybe an idler pulley, maybe alternator bearing. Something had to have caused that belt to behave in that. Passing through Carrollton. Hey, looking like Resident Evil or something. We got a special guest with us today too. Lola, what's up, baby girl? She rocking a dress today. That's what she pays to wear to a repair, but she do what she want. So this them fields you see Jeepers Creepers running in. All right, let's see what's going on. I'm guessing this is pieces of the belt. Yeah. Ah, yes. Don't need that right now. It's not looking good. What we got? We got a bad idler pulley right there. I was right. So the bearings, they go bad. They seize up. Sometimes they'll make a frequency that is super annoying. Out of there. This is a pretty simple repair though. Lola. What's up, Lola? Look at that, seized up. Tragic. I got the part we needed, heading back to the appointment. Went to AutoZone this time. This is probably like the best AutoZone I've been to in like a little minute. Customer service was on point. I called and told them what part I needed, and I got in there, and they were like, "Oh, we got it right here," and went straight to the register. So shout out to AutoZones in Anna, Texas. Replacing the pulleys on this is pretty simple. It's just bolts. They're not reverse threaded, not even the tensioner, because where you relieve tensioner is from the back of it with a 3/8. Notice some of these parts have Mercedes brands on it. Look at that. A lot of these companies use each other's parts. It's kind of what makes them more or less reliable. All right. That check engine light's probably going to say something like low voltage, because when the belt broke, the alternator wasn't turning, and that's probably what shut the car off, if it wasn't the water pump overheating the car. But he seemed like It seemed like he pulled it over right immediately, so it didn't overheat, which is good. Because if it would have overheated, we would have had to possibly change the oil. If it got too hot, we would have had to check the cooling system and verify we don't have any like head gasket leaks. Especially with this car having close to, oh yeah, this one of the cars that got like 241,000 miles, which is rare on a Chrysler. Shout out Herb's Auto Care. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. Taking a little drive just to make sure we don't have any other issues. Looks to be good.